Hi guys, our lesson is Python programming language for beginners. Welcome to Vijaya Knowledge. Today our agenda is Python installation on Windows, Mac OS and Unix or Linux. And the next part is Python mods and how we'll approach the Python to write the code and execute the Python environment. How to download and install Python software. Python software can be downloaded and installed from www.python.org. Let's start how the download Python installer. The first step is open your web browser and go to python.org. Navigate to download section. The website will automatically detect your operating system. Click download Python version button. Second step, run the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer. On the first screen, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. Click install. After installation, we should check the verify installation where it is installed. Those steps below are there. Once the installation is complete, open the command prompt, type python version and press enter. You should see the Python version you installed. To verify the pip Python package installer, type pip version and press enter in the command prompt. If you give this command, then you can understand Python which version we are down were using, ready to use. Installing Python on macOS. Download Python installer. Open your web browser and go to python.org. Navigate to the download section and click download Python for macOS. How to run the installation on macOS? Once the download is complete, open the .pkg installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 3. Verify installation. Open the terminal and enter Python 3 space version and press enter. You should see the Python version is installed. And next is to verify the pip, type pip 3 space version and press enter. You can see the latest version of the pip also. Installing Python on Linux. Update package list. Open your terminal. Update your package list by typing sudo apt update. And the next slide is install Python. Install Python is the command is on Linux sudo apt install python 3, and the next step is install pip by type like we should install the pip sudo app install python 3 hyphen pip. So along with python 3 installation, along with python 3 hyphen pip, we should install these two commands on Linux terminal. Verify installation. Below is the command to verify the Python after installation. Python 3 space version. To check the pip3, the command is the pip3 space version. These two we can see the which version we have downloaded. Python software providers. We have the editors or IDC. Ideally means integrated development learning environment. Standard libraries or language related libraries, tools, package managers, debuggers, Python compiler, and PVM. PVM means already I said in the previous session. Who are is not aware of these things, and you can look into the previous videos. Python compiler and PVM, Python virtual machine, Python shell, that is the interactive mode. Let's see other IDs also. PyCharm, VS Code, Spido, Jupyter Notebook, and Google Colab. These are the other IDEs to run the Python, write the code, source code, write the source code and execute successfully. Next topic is Python distributions. Python distribution is a software bundle. The first is Python software, and second is application specific libraries, and third is editors. Python distributors are many. We have the few things I can explain here. Active state active Python commercial and community versions, including scientific computing modules. Python XY scientific oriented Python distribution based on Qt and Spider. WinPython. WinPython is a portable scientific Python distribution for Windows. Conceptive Python SDK targets businesses, desktop and database applications. Anthod Canopy, a commercial distribution for scientific computing. The next is PYIMSL Studio is a commercial distribution for numerical analysis, free for non-commercial use. Anaconda Python, a full Python distribution for data management, analysis and visualization of large data sets. Let's see how once download the Python and how we'll approach. We have the two approaches to verify the Python installation. Open command prompt and Python space hyphen version. If you give this command like Python space hyphen version, you can see which version are you using, and the interact after that you can see the next approach, like second approach in search and give the IDLE. Under the search you can see the IDLE also. We have the Python working modes are two. One is the interactive mode, and second is the scripting mode. What is Python interactive mode? Python interactive mode, also known as Python shell, allows you to type and execute Python commands one at a time. It's a great tool for experimenting with code, testing new ideas, and debugging. Let's see how we can access it on different operating system. Accessing interactive modes on different operating system. On Windows, open command prompt, press Window plus or type command, like if you give the enter alternatively there is a command prompt. If you open the command prompt and start menu and open it. And the next is start Python interactive mode. That is the if you open the open sorry if you open the command prompt, and then you can give the Python, if you type the Python, then give the enter, press enter, then you can see the Python prompt. That is the interactive mode. And next, how to check the interactive mode on Mac OS. Open terminal and give the command Python. Then you can give the press enter. Alternative, you can find the terminal and applications and utility folders. We have that. And start Python interactive mode. And Python 3 in press, you can see the Python command prompt, and below interactive mode. And the next is the how to access the interactive mode on Linux. Open terminal and use the, like we have the shortcut key control plus alt plus T. If you give this one, it terminal can open automatically. In the start Python interactive mode, here if you give the Python 3 and press enter, you should see the Python prompt. This is the three arrow marks we have, right? That three arrow marks we can see under the interactive mode. What is Python shell? Python shell or Python interactive mode, both are same actually. But let's see the what is the there is a three arrows, right? Which I have seen. Yeah, this is the command prompt after installation is done in the Windows. Open command prompt. If you under user path I have given the Python, if you enter Python, it will go interactive mode. This is the command line interface. these three greater thans, like these three, this symbol will called a python prompt or interactive mode or chavron prompt. These are name we called as these three names. These three names are same: python prompt or interactive mode or chavron prompt. These three are the same. And next is how to execute a python code without using ideally. These are the below steps to follow the to open ideally without using ideally. Open Notepad, write program, save the program with extension .py, and open command prompt and give the folder with Python. First give the Python and the next file name which I have saved with the same name we should mention after Python. So let's is the how to write and execute a Python code with IDLE. Open IDLE, select file, new file, and write program, select run and run module we have. So if you, or else if you give the F5 also, F5 is the shortcut way of to run the code. And the next is the there is a screenshot how to navigate the step by step. uh, Today what we have last some in the, let's say, summary in this session: how to install the python on windows, mac os, linux or unix, and how to interact with without IDE and with IDLE. And we have seen these in this session. Don't forget, and please like, and please do subscribe to get further more videos. Thanks for watching.